Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any YouTubers, any businessman, or any news portals. So how we can build the videos for YouTube purpose, Instagram purpose. That is all will be mandatory fee. Here I'm showing for taking one of the website name is called iamfit.in. This website purely for who are looking for gym classes trainings in Madhapur. You can weight loss purpose, weight transpiration, and everything. You can joining for this particular website. So in this particular website, how we can create a long video and short video for YouTube and Instagram purpose. I'll show you two steps: YouTube short video, Facebook reel, and Instagram reel. The particular size will be 1080 into 1920 pixel. This video completely reel option. So where is the reel will be play? We can go to the Facebook option. The option will be reel is there. The reel particular size or YouTube short size for any kind of YouTubers is uploading any shorts like this. This all shorts and Facebook reels. That one and only option is called here. We have to follow the option name is called size 1080 by 1920 pixel. For YouTube long video, Facebook long video, 1920 into 1080 pixel. Previous, we have the Instagram will be two different types. Less than 60 seconds, more than 60 seconds. Now is completely change will be any video we uploading will be option will be selected by here. So video will be making two types. First of all, I am making with the short videos for YouTube purpose or Instagram purpose or Facebook purpose. So this video can I using Twitter and LinkedIn? Yes, you can using Twitter and LinkedIn also. First of all, what are the concept you design? The concept you can select from your particular post option. So the concept and design will be here. What are the concept you will be design? So first of all, check it out. The concept will be shown to the customers will be like this. If you go to reel option, reel will be here. So here is that. So what are those? This will be done and this will be ready. First of all, copy the text. This will be copy. First of all, copy the text will be here. A video making purpose select by the 1080 1920 pixel and photos. What are the gym photos? And one color you can select will be here. After selected will be in this. Just click the double click. Use here. Immediately you can selecting action. What are the selection you've done? Select by the alignment. After alignment, you select the text will be in the middle of the content. So why we can selecting for middle is called user can easily we can show to the customers. So that will be like this. You will be show to the particular customers will be here. So that is the regarding we can add will be like this. After this one, add your logo. You can promote any business website. How much is preference? Same like your video also will be most preferred by the every YouTube channel. So that is called not only YouTube channel, the business growing purpose, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. So many things we can useful will be here. After this, I'll go to my projects, select by folder, select by the our month. What are the date you selected will be here. So copy this. First of all, select by the in this screens. First screen where I can upload is going on here. So Just set as a video background. Next screen, set as a video background. Just you can done by the one screen selected. What are the video you selected will be here. So we can select it by this simple set as a video background. Sir, this video will be 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Can I upload the complete seconds? Not like that. Any kind of rotation screens you can upload will be maximum 8 seconds. People will be complete for board on your particular video purpose. How much utilize is required, we can use the particular videos will be here. After that, the final screening conclusion screen will be like, share, and subscribe our channel. So the jump selected will be here. Click this. So this will be 25 seconds. I'll convert into 8 seconds. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Why? Because any YouTube shorts are uploading or reel uploading less than 60 seconds you maintain. Why? Because if you are uploading more than 60 seconds, there will be coming to the long video. So be careful to while uploading any video. And video making time, we have to follow the some condition will be here. Each video making time, when you click here, there will be click this slide option. Just here click and click for slide option. When you can click for side option. When I'm click here, slide option. The easily rotation will be very much of easy to understanding the this one. So this many versions we can easily will be run the here. And very important thing, what are the original music? Keep it on mute. Why? Because due to any kind of movie related songs will be playing on gym, you get copyright strike. So that is regarding when uploading any kind of play the music, keep it on the mute. And after this, we have to done by one play role is important. That is called this is the screen is important. So what is the mean by the screen? What is the purpose of the screen? The screen will be purpose. I'll show you. When coming to this one, people follow and subscribe I am fit gym Madhapur. This will be your particular website. So that is the purpose. You can add your particular watermark will be here. So this watermark compulsory mandatory or not? Yes, this watermark compulsory mandatory. Reason nobody can copy your video purpose. That is the compulsory mandatory field. That is we can show will be very small. So they can easily understand what those the content will be here. Anyone promotion is very important. But video is not making properly. If you lot of promotion is doing, nothing will be worked out. So that is a call. We can upload the video properly is a most important by here. After this one, any YouTube channel users compulsory mandatory field is called without copyright music. So how it possible without copyright music? Go to manage videos. In this manage videos, we have to option name is called here. Go to audio library. What are the audio libraries are free will be here. So that will be suitable by the which is a free music will be suitable. Click for download and utilize it. And so that as a musics, how much is important to the users and how much will be affected by the music is important. If you use a movie songs, everything within a second of time, they will be getting copyright strike. So be alert while using music. And this is the video kit toolbar. What is the long video playing here? Last 80 hours. This will be shorts, 7 days, 7 days. Anything will be shown to the particular customer. I'm selected already. One music will be here. Go to scroll down. Click this. What other music will be here? Select it. Already this music is done. Now click this. After this will be 49 seconds. If you go increase the seconds, any video, 7.6 here. This will be 49.7 seconds. So much of boring purpose, I'm changing this any one kind of video. After this, music will be also increase. Much and should important. So this is a pattern. Now click is download. Download will be MP4 format. Here one more advantage is that total video we can download at a time here. And one more step, each video, we have another update is called, you can updating for your logo also. What are the logo you can update it here? That you can update by the logo also. Very small icon. Here. This will be another step. You can download this video also. And Canva, one more benefit is called, if you want download by the individual videos and image also, they will be supported. Simple, go to JPG, which is image you have to download it, select image and download by images. Click this. Here is that. What are the options are here? Click it. So that will be download will be, here is the options. Click it. Download. Set by the page 4 or page 2. Download it. This will be MPG format. Sir, all image at a time you can download is possible or not? It is always possible by all image at a time once. How it is possible? Select here. Here is our image is selected. All images and download it. This will be downloaded by the future is called JPG format one by one. So that is the major important key point. So this purely downloaded by the JPG format. So what are the downloads are still is missing here? You can check will be option will be here is the particular things. So check it. Every video's download will be done. And this video you can upload by the Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook Reels. Everything will be properly follow your guidelines and upload the content. So this is the video making for particular reel on your particular YouTube channel purpose. So any business, most of the reaching purpose, their upload option name is called YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels. Follow this and increase your business leads in a particular post option. So if any further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.